In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit cell content in Smartsheet step by step. Whether you're updating text, inserting images, generating formulas, or linking data from another sheet, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a simple and practical way. If you're new to Smartsheet or just want to work more efficiently, you're in the right place. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where you want to edit cell content. You can do this by navigating through your Home tab or Workspace and clicking on the specific sheet to open it in Grid View. Once your sheet is open, you'll see rows and columns similar to a spreadsheet layout. To edit basic cell content, simply click on any cell you want to modify. When you select the cell, it becomes active. You can either double-click inside the cell or start typing right away to replace the existing content. Enter your new text, numbers, or values, and then press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. It's that simple to update standard cell data. Now let's look at editing column-related options. If you want to work with a specific column, move your cursor to the column header at the top. Click on the column name to select it, and then right-click on the column header. This will open a drop-down menu with several options that allow you to customize or edit settings related to that column. From this menu, you can choose different actions depending on what you need. For example, if you want to visually enhance your sheet by adding an image, click on the Insert Image option. This allows you to upload an image directly into a cell. After selecting Insert Image, you can choose an image file from your computer and place it into the selected cell. This is especially useful for project tracking, product sheets, or visual dashboards where images add more context. Next, let's talk about generating formulas. If you need to calculate values automatically instead of typing them manually, you can use Smartsheet's formula feature. Click into the cell where you want the formula to appear, then choose the option to generate or enter a formula. You can type the formula directly using Smartsheet's formula syntax, similar to Excel. For example, you might use sum to total a column or create logic-based formulas for automated calculations. Once you finish entering the formula, press Enter to apply it, and the cell will now automatically calculate based on your defined logic. Another powerful way to edit cell content is by linking data from another sheet. To do this, click on the cell where external data to appear. Then open the menu and select Link from Cell in Other Sheet. Smartsheet will prompt you to choose the source sheet. Select the sheet that contains the data you want to reference. Then choose the specific cell from that sheet. Confirm your selection, and the data will now be linked. This means whenever the original cell updates, your linked cell will automatically update as well. This is extremely useful for reports, dashboards, and managing multiple related sheets without duplicating work. As you can see, editing cell content in Smartsheet goes far beyond just typing text. You can update values, customize columns, insert images, generate formulas, and even link data across sheets to build powerful workflows. Mastering these features will help you stay organized and save a lot of time when managing projects. And that's it. You now know how to edit cell content in Smartsheet, including basic edits, inserting images, generating formulas, and linking from other sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.